Our learning objective for the lesson today is I can read my sight words. Read that with me. I can read my sight words. Very good. And today I'm going to teach you guys a brand new game that you can play at home to learn your sight words. All right? So there's some different materials you're going to need for this game. You need a whiteboard, an eraser, a dry erase marker, and your sight words, either your list of sight words or your sight word cards, okay? So I've got all the things I need. I've got my cards, and then I'm gonna use my big board up here for my dry erase board. All right, you're gonna need at least 2 people to play your game, so find your adult, and your adult can play with you. More than 2 people can play too, that's okay. So the way that you play this game, Disappearing Snowman, is have your adult draw a snowman, okay? You see mine? And then your adult is gonna have all of the words that you need for your game. And they're gonna think of one word to put up on the board, but they're not gonna write the letters, okay? You see that I've already thought of my word, but I didn't write the letters. Instead, I put lines right here so you can tell how many letters are in my word. The word that I'm thinking of has how many letters? 3, right? And now you're gonna try to guess what the word is that your adult is thinking of, okay? And if you guess the right letter, then they write the letter up here. And if you guess the wrong letter, then they have to erase part of the snowman. And you don't want to erase the whole snowman, so you have to really pay attention and think about those words, okay? All right, so let's try this. It's gonna be a little bit tricky since we're doing this on a video, but I'm gonna be both the adult that knows the word, and I'm gonna pretend to be you guys guessing the letters, okay? So the word's in my head. I already have it in my head. And let's say you guys guessed the letter T. Well, there is no T in my word, so I can't write it up here, but I can erase part of my snowman. There goes his arm, okay? Now let's say you guys guessed the letter A. There is no A in my word, so what do I need to do? Yep, I have to erase part of my snowman. There goes his hat. He's starting to look awful silly. Okay, so what's the next letter you want to guess? H. That is in my word, friends, so I'm going to write it right here. H. And that should give you a hint as to what the rest of the letters could be. What else could I put in my word? What other letter do you think is in there? P. No, there's no P. I have to erase part of my snowman. There goes his arm. Okay. What letter do you think is in my word? R. You're right. There is an R in my word. Now, once we get to this point, this is when you can start thinking about what could that word be? What letter might it be? And if you start thinking about those words that you know, it's going to help you figure it out. What letter do you think is next? What could that letter be? The letter J? No, we don't have any words that go H-J-R. I have to erase part of my snowman. There goes his nose. Okay, what letter do you think it is? Really look at that word and think about it. E? You're right. You got it. Okay, read the word. Her. Very good. Can you use that word in a sentence? Yes, I like her little dog. Awesome job. Okay, so friends, do you understand how to play the game? Good, you need a whiteboard, dry erase marker, eraser, and all your sight words, either your cards or your sight word list, okay? Draw a snowman, think of a word, and somebody's going to guess what the letters are. And if they get them right, you write the letter. And if they don't, you erase part of the snowman. And the game is called Disappearing Snowman. Because if you get all of them wrong, guess what? He disappears. Okay? All right, so find an adult to play with you and have fun. Bye.